All right, guys, today we're gonna learn how to install the strap buttons. It's gonna be in different locations on different guitars, depending on the shape. And so on this Strat style guitar, you're always gonna have it on the bottom centered, but the other options are you could do it underneath the neck here, which is a little harder to get to, and I don't like that as much. I've always done it up here, but it's your preference. And then on different guitar shapes, you might need to go here instead of here, but there is some preference and some options for that. Tyler has elected to go here on the horn, so I'm gonna show you this process for getting one of those strap buttons installed. And so Tyler has marked out the spots that he wants, and so I'm gonna take an awl and I'm gonna punch into that center where he marked. So it looks like you're over here. Okay. So I'm gonna hold that awl on that spot. Just a light little touch to get the center marked out. And this next part might be helpful for you to do with a partner, because somebody's got to hold this guitar and we have to drill a Forstner bit hole. This is a 1/2 inch Forstner bit, because that's the size of this felt disc that's going to be mounted, and we want that to sit flat. Otherwise this is going to rock when it's on there and it's not going to be mounted as well. So we're going to drill a flat bottomed hole here so that sits nice and flat on there. So I'm going to take the center spur of the Forstner bit, I'm going to put it in the hole that we just punched, and then I'm going to lightly just drill it till I get a nice flat like that on there. Okay, the Forstner bits gives you a nice center hole because it has that spur. And then I'm going to take the bit that is for the screws for the strap buttons, and I'm going to, we have the length already figured out, and a piece of tape for depth on there. So I'll take this now, chuck up the bit for that, and I can take and drill that full depth. Clear the chips. So that's the depth. And so now what you do is you take your strap button, there's a little hole in these little felt discs that you can pop out, little centerpiece. And you're gonna wax this screw and you're gonna screw it in on there. Okay, same process for the other side. Okay, follow those steps exactly and make sure you wax every single screw.